We are recording. We are recording. Talk to me, Janet. We are recording. Oh, Packy. We are recording. 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 Yes. Yes. We are recording. Doodle Wars.
Government arrests you for arrests you with handcuffs and says, bro, why you hacking into the IP shit? And now you're in jail.
Okay. And then
I love this game.
my this is my lawyer with his tie. Comes over, gets me out of jail, and explains to the government that he found the falafel people and that they were terrorists, and Sawyer is now
a code hero.
a code hero.
We're so gay, we're bringing English into this. Look, there's Ernest Hemingway right there, and Agnes, and Sternberg. Alright, the lawyer, right?
Yeah.
The lawyer was gonna drive to the government people, right?
Babe, we're making a video. What up?
Like, they are going to take us to jail.
You already killed them. I bombed them up.
This is pre. Shush, shush, shush. This is pre.
That was before I bombed them?
Yes, this is during.
During the bombing.
Alright.
Go!
The falafel people are like, okay, they're gonna kill us. That is definitely Russian, but they're like,
They're going to kill us.
they're going to kill us. That's not, I don't even know how to
Alright, continue.
Okay, and they're like, they're going to kill us. So they take a laser around the world to build satellites, right? And the laser satellites kill the car, and your guy's dead.
The lawyer's dead. This is the state of Florida.
What does this have to do with anything?
And this is where they launch spaceships, am I correct? In Cape Canaveral, Florida.
I thought it was
Cape Canaveral, Florida. Cape Canaveral, Florida. A nuclear warhead. And destroys
Florida?
your satellite.
Florida? Okay, Natalie DeJoya, right? I'm putting this on Facebook now.
This Doodle War?
Yeah. Natalie DeJoya is all like,
Oh, Nat.
Pookie.
Pookie.
Pookie is all like, oh hey, I'm in Florida. That's an I, that's an E, that's a heart.
Okay.
Okay. Pookie's all like, oh hey, balloon. She's all like, I'm in Florida, I know everybody because I'm Florida cool. And here's Daytona Beach. So she starts a super party. And what happens is everybody goes crazy and they were like, let's make a pyramid. Like a human pyramid. So all her Florida friends are like making a pyramid and they're like, oh hey, there's a space shuttle, let's like ride it. So they're all on the space shuttle now. And there's so many people there that the space shuttle doesn't get to leave the atmosphere of the world. So it's stuck and it's just orbiting around the world. Beat that bitch.
A piece of space goo flies and hits the little pyramid of people on the nuke, and they all fall and they all die because of my space goo.
Featherston, oh, this shit's real. Featherston, Mr. F.
She's gonna kill you guys.
Don't give up her.
Like, this is chemically imbalanced.
Okay, it's smart. I like that. Well, I have something for this.
And that you guys all failed
F minus?
B minus.
B minus. Okay.
No, I mean, tell me.
Jesus.
Tell yourself. And that I'm going back to my world. So,
You guys, what is the class at?
Soon.
that will be right here. Mr. F's world.
Yeah, he is in his own world.
Okay. Now,
That has the force field.
Mr. F's girlfriend,
I thought it was
Fiance.
fiance, breaks up with him
You do good.
again, takes her ring back. So he is heart broken.
Alright.
He decides to go in a deep state of depression. Puts antifreeze in his own drink. And Mr. F is dead with a shutdown liver.
I'm telling him that you killed him.
Okay.
Alright. Mr. F, being the immortal person he is.
You can't bring back life after dead.
Hold your horses.
Redmond, you're retarded.
Continue.
He's immortal.
Like,
Did you not know?
everybody knows that
He's immortal.
But the Chinese Jesus.
Chinese Jesus. That's not Christian. I don't like that.
Alright, guys. Whoa. What is going on?
Doodle war.
I'm making the bar.
I win.
What?
I win.
No,
You
I'm
didn't complete it.
trying.
You didn't complete it.
I